And what is your biggest dream in the future? Do you have a dream?
I,
Do you have a
I-
dream? For
I
example,
dream-
some people have dream to buy a beautiful house. Some
Yes.
people have a dream to buy a sport car. Some people have a dream to buy a helicopter, right? What's your biggest dream?
I dream my is car and big house.
Your biggest dream is to buy a big house, right? To buy a sport.
Yes.
You like a sport car, or you like a, how can I say? You like a sport car, or you like a presidential car?
I export.
You like sport car.
Yes.
Do you name the car? What kind of car do you like? You like a Bugatti? You like a the Lamborghini? What kind of car?
I like Bugatti.
Okay. You know there are different kind of Bugatti. Okay. Usually in the world there are 4 billion men, right? Do you understand me?
Yes.
In the world there are 4 billion men, but there are only 500 Bugatti in the world. And this year, a new Bugatti was discovered and also produced,